Hello everyone, thanks for joining. So today we will discuss one new concept, right? Yesterday already I have discussed about how we are going to insert the primitive data as well as object data as well as So a string is an object
Yeah,
and 10, 10.5 and character, right? All those primitive data along with string data already I have inserted in our array list. Yes or no? And
yes,
also we have understood yesterday what is auto boxing. Yes or no? So
yeah,
if you're
Yes,
going yeah, automatic conversion from primitive to object, that is called auto boxing. Yes or no? So till 1.4 we are using we are not using automatically any conversion. Explicitly we are doing. Yes or no? That's the call of value of null. Yes or no? I have shown yesterday. Correct?
yes,
Yes. Give me launch our ID. Then come to know. Correct? Yes. And till after so from 1.5 version we are not doing any what automatically it's going to convert. Yes or no? We are not doing any
yeah,
explicit conversion, correct, from Java 1.5 version, but till 1.4 we need to do explicitly because there was no any such what feature we have by which we can automatically convert our primitive to object. Yes or no, guys? That's the most important things you need to understand. Yes or no? Because sometimes they may ask, they means what? Interview they may ask, what do you mean by auto boxing? So you can tell to this concept. So till Java 1.4 version, we are doing explicitly conversion primitive to object with the help of value of method. But from Java 1.5 version, we are not worried about the what conversion. So our internal it's going to convert. Yes or no? But same method call गए dot
mm,
value of. So dot value of conversion. So we are not doing explicitly. Okay, that thing we should keep in mind. So now today our main agenda is so how we are going to insert suppose employee object, product object, payment object, customer object, student object in our array list. Yes or no? Because in the company we are not going to insert primitive data. Yes or no? That thing you should aware first. In the project in the company, we are not going to insert primitive data generally. Yes or no? We are inserting object data mostly. Yes or no? 99% we are inserting what? Object data. Yes or no, guys?
object,
Yes.
yes,
So that's the thing you should understand, Amit, how we are going to insert our object data in our array list. Okay, and not only insertion, I will explain so many beautiful concepts in this class, guy. So please be concentrated. Yes or no? Can I start coding, guy? Because we should most and we are more what concentrate our coding, not theoretical part, guy. Theoretical also important, but mostly we need to understand coding part, guy. Okay. So without any further delay, we'll start our coding part, guy. Correct. So our this one batch, right? So on right. Yes. In that, guys, see, I have created one package that is com.add or collection framework. In the package, guys, I will write every program of collection. So guys, today I'm going to write. I'm creating one class. That class is guy. You know what class, guy? Do you know? Suppose employee class, guy. Guys, see in our entire collection, in our entire collection playlist or this topic, I will use employee and student object. Okay, that's why I'm going to create two class, guy. You know, guy, very well how to create class, guy. EMPS one, guy. EMP our class, right? Correct, guy. So you see in the class we should not have any public static void one, guy. Only allocate some field. Okay, this guy class EMP finish. Correct, guy. Yes, guys. See in this class if I will create, guy, two field, guy, I'll create two field. So int what, guy? EMP ID. Yes or no? Int EMP ID. And guy, I will create what? A string. String EMP name. Yes or no? Okay. Any problem? No, Amit. I'm good. Yes or no, guy? EMP ID and guy EM. Sorry. Why EMP ID? EMP name is no. EMP name. Good.
name.
And one is guy EMP ID. Good. So guy, we have two fields, right? One is EMP name, one is EMP ID. Good guy. So guy, you know very well. So you should have constructor. Yes or no, guy? Why constructor, guy?
Yeah,
Do you know? Because how we're going to initialize the value, guy? So guy, we'll create one constructor. Yes or no, guy? How, guy? You know very well. So generate constructor using field. Yes or no? Guys, see, with this field, I'll create constructor. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. So constructor create, guy. See, yes or no? Any question? No, Amit.
no.
So this is our class employee has created. Guy, please be concerned. Most important guy things. If you're concentrated, so couple of class guy, five training class in collection, you will master, you will expert in the collection guy. Really, I'm telling you. If you are not concentrated, you will become same what as of now you are. Okay. Okay, see then I'm creating our other class a student. Yes or no guy? Tell me a student. And same guy, I will create two fields. I will create guy two fields. But the field's name is here a student name, not employee name. Yes, okay? Guys, see. So int a student ID. Any question? No. And what? A student name, a student name, and corresponding will create what? Constructor. Yes or no? Guy, tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. So we have done these two class, correct? So one is student class, one is employee class. Guys, see, these two are object. Yes or no, guys? A student is a one
Yes.
object and employee is a one object. Correct? So we have created two objects. Now our main motto is what? Inserting object data. Yes or no, guys? Inserting object data. And guy, integer, float, character is also object, guy. Do you know? That is a wrapper class object. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. So integer 10 is also an object only. Yes or no? Why wrapper class here, guy? Because in collection, each and every time we are inserting object data only. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. You are correct. We can't insert primitive. If you're going to primitive also, it automatically convert into what? Object data. Yes, okay? Automatic conversion. Guys, see now I will create one main class. Guys, see. So class array list array what guys? List test two. I want allocated. This is guys two. Main method finish. Yes. Guys, see. I have created one array test. Guys, see, in this class, I am going to use that two object what we have created. That is a student and employee. Yes or no? Guys, please confirm. Yes or no? No answer. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes. If you are with me, guys, please respond. Okay. If you respond, then I will feel somebody with us. Otherwise, I will feel alone. Okay. Please. Guys, see. Then what I'm going to do? Array list. Yesterday I have told same thing, guys. So I'll get our class. Yes or no? Guys?
Yeah.
I'll see class. Yes or no? Then guys, new what? Array list. Correct?
List.
Yes. Guys, see why it is showing error, guy? Do you know? Because
You have to
we
import.
we need to tell to the what class framework, hey, I am going to use your class. Yes or no, guy? See how you understand. I'm telling to the which one to question framework, hey, I'm going to use one class what you have created for us. Yes or no? Because alice class, guy, we are not going to create. We didn't create it. We are utilizing that. Yes or no? We are utilizing that already there. We are using only. That yes or no? Why create guy? Lesson framework for us. Correct? Yeah.
मैं
Don't cry.
आवाज टीवी
Hello.
के
Hey, who is this? Don't shout. Then guys see, I need to import this thing, right? Yes, I imported. Guys see, after imported, this error is what? Gone. Why? Because I imported this class, correct? Yes. Guys see, do you know how to insert employee object? Anyone know how to insert employee object? No. Guys see, al dot add. Guys see, al dot add guy. Guys see, al dot add. I'm going to use. Guys see, you know this expert guy object data. Yes or no? This expect all the data. Guys see how. Guys see. So you have guy one employee object. You have one student object guy. Guys see. Already you know very well. Already you know what is constructor guy. So if you're going to use what constructor guy, how you can use guy, how you create the object guy. So new and guy emp emp. Guys or no? Guys see. This constructor you created not tell me. This construct you have created or someone else? Tell me, guy. This constructor you have created or someone else? Guy, can you
तो we
come?
have created a
Yes. Then guys see, I'm clicking this one, guy. Then guy, it expect two value. Guys see, very simple. Anybody, anytime, if asked what is constructor, you can say any slash in the object. Yes or no? Nothing else, guy.
yeah
Our students should be very clear. So constructor is used to generally initialize the object. Guys, see, I'm writing 111. That is guy ID. Yes, no guy. Name guy. Suppose our student name is Ankit. Yes, no? Ankit. Yes. Guys, see, that is one employee. Yes, no? Any question till now? So, how we are going to insert one employee object in our collection? This is the way, guy. Please keep in mind. If you don't know, understand here. Because this type of things you need to do in front of interviewer. Okay, so don't confuse how we are going to insert one employee object, one student object. Good, yes. Then guys see you will have one what guy? A student object also. Guys see add. What you're going to add guy? Object done here. Then guys see same guy. New what guy? A student. Guys see
a student
see a student will come guy. Obviously a student will come. 100% come guys. He came or not? Yes, came. Student ID. Guy, what is student ID guy? Suppose student ID is 1. Okay, and guy, name is suppose Rawson. Rawson is a student who is inserted into the array. Yes or no? Guy, tell me. Yes. Any question guy till
yes
now? No, Amit. Very good.
no
Guy, it is interesting or tough guy? Very interesting. Yes or no? I have it very interesting,
yes
but not sure what you people are thinking. Al dot add. Al dot add. And guys, see, I would like to add guys some a string here. What guy? A string. Suppose this time I'm writing Abhi. Right? This is also an object here. Tell me yes or no? This is also one object only. A string object. Yes or no?
yeah
Yes. Then guys, see, along with, I will add some. Okay, what? Our primitive also. Guys, see, understand guys? See, why I'm writing this thing? I will explain just after some time game. Al dot add guys see this time I'm going to add guy null. What guy? Null. Yes or no? Yes. Guys see yesterday I've discussed how you're going to print. Yes or no guy? There are two ways to print guy. Yes or no? Guy. So directly if you
yeah
write guy AL also you can print guy. But Amit internally using what? Two string
two
method.
string
Yes. Then guy you can write. See in interview you don't write two lines guy. You can write one line only. But I'm trying to understanding purpose guy. So two string will give same result because internally calling it two string only. Internally calling only two string only guy. Okay, guys see. One thing keep in mind guy. Very important point. Very important. Guys see. Whenever two string method will call parent class guy, what is parent class? Tell me. What is the parent class guy? object class. Yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no? What is a parent class of any class? Object class. Yes or no? Guys, confirm yes or no at least. What is the
That's fine.
parent class of every class? Suppose I'm using an employee class, a student class. Guy, for them,
Oh,
what is a parent class, guy? Object class only. Yes or no? Tell me, guy. Yes or no? So, whenever to a string method will call for parent class, guys, see, this time we are not created any guy to a string method. Tell me. You created, tell me. Did we create any to a string method here? Tell me yes or no. Guy, tell me yes or no only. Did we
yeah.
created any twisting method in employee class? No, Amit. Okay. So guys, see, if we are not created any twisting method in our string class, so in our employee class, that means guys, this twisting method will call from object class. Yes or no? Guys, tell me. Because twisting is there in the in object class. Guys, tell me yes or no. So you know,
Yes.
so you know what happened, guy? This time, guy, this twisting method if you are going to call, so guy, this thing will not print, guy. Why? Because object class twisting method will give hash code. Yes or no? If you are not going to override twisting method in our class, that means this twisting will call from object class. Yes or no? I will show you. Don't worry. So as of now, guy, this 111 Ankit 1 Roshan will not print, guy. This will print class name at the rate of hash code. Oh my god. Yes, I will show you. Don't worry. So guys, see, we'll run the application, we'll see the result. It's coming as expected or not. Yes or no, guys? Guys, then you'll come to know what Amit has told, it is correct or not. Guys, see. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. Guys, tell me. Am I right or wrong, guy? Guys, see, this guy, employee ID,
Right.
employee ID. 1 minute. What I have done here? One thing I have done wrong. Or no, say. See, employee ID, guys, see, and guys, see, student ID. Guys, see, imply this one and get this one. Both are in what? Class name has got guy. So why guy? If anybody asks you why this is coming guy, because this two string method calling from which class guy? Object class. Yes or no? Guy?
Yes.
Object class. So guys see then next important point here. So guys we have in I'll show you how we'll print this thing. Don't worry. So guys see this thing. Guys this thing. Two are guy we have created this object. You know employee or student object. But guys see along with we have created guy what away a string object. Tin is also what int here but is a what primitive automatically converted. Yes or no in object guy in this also. So guys see if you don't print hash code guys see if you don't print hash code, what guy? As of now, you could see here the hash code is coming. Yes or no? Guys, see, if you don't want to print hash code, then guy, what? Utilize one important concept that is called for each loop. What guy? Can you tell me what is for each loop? Yes or no? What guy? Confirm quickly.
Mm.
For each loop. Guy. Yes or no? So guy, I will show you how we are going to use for each loop. Okay? Any question? No, I mean, guys, see,
No.
this is important concept. Guys. Please be concerned. Requestly, I'm telling you. So, guys, see how I'm going to polish you to printing our exact actual output, not a hash code. Guy, I hope you know this thing. Manish 100% he knows, but not sure. Anki don't know or no. Guys, see, now I'm going to iterate, guy. Okay, I'm going to iterate the all the value from for each loop, guy. Okay, guys, see. So tell me, guy, as of now in this guy we have mixing guy some object as a object somewhat integer object some null so guy that's why what we can iterate guy so as of now our object is available in which place guy tell me A or not tell me guy
Mm.
yes or no in al guy We have all object गए. So student also,
Yeah.
employee also, abhi also, 10 also no. So guys, see, keep in mind anywhere guy in entire life. So if you're going to iterate the thing, you're going to use the for each loop. If you're going to use the for each loop guy, then guy you can write so colon and al colon. So after colon guy, after colon, what the things you're going to write, that is guy where your object is there. Yes, guy. After colon guy, you should write where your object is there. Tell me guy, in al all the object is there or not? Tell me guy. Yes, I mean in al all the object is there. Tell me yes or no? Yes. Then guys, see in left side you need to write where you're going to store this other guy. Yes or no? Guys, see as of now we are mixing guy. Some what employee object, some student object, some string object, some more integer object. Okay, tell me this is one type of object or is mixing object guy? This is one type of object
It's the
or mixing object guy. Tell me
mix.
mixing na? Tell me yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, mixing. So guys, see
Yeah.
when if mixing object, then how we can iterate, how our JVM will understood, hey, this Ankit or Manish is print this object or this object guy, this object. We don't write. If one type of there, directly we can print. Yes or no? If one type of it, directly we can print. Just like a for loop. Yes or no? Int I equal to 0 means all the data will only include integer only. Yes or no? A string. Yes or no? Float. Are you getting not guy? In for loop, you are going to use na, int I equal 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Means what? Whatever data from I 0 to 10, it is same only. Yes or no? Only integer. Are writing integer, then a string, then float in for loop. Tell me. Are writing? No, right? Why? Because
Mm.
you have only one type of data. But guys, you can see in this example, you will have multiple type of data. Some string object, some employee object, some string object, some integer. That is mixing. Suppose if the object is mixing form guy, then are you can write guy here object guy. Keep in mind guy. Object. Okay. Oh, any question? No, Amit. I don't have any question. Or any question guy. Tell me. Are you getting this line guy? Line number 20. No, Amit.
Yes, it is.
Getting? Because as of now you have mixing of it. And if you would like to iterate, if you have to print all the data one by one, that means first we need to check. Correct? Yes. Guys, see. If you have mixing data and if you would like to print the data guy, so guys, one other concept in our Java in collection. Guys, see how instance of guys see instance of is there instead of one operator. Okay, you need to use instance of how guy I will explain, just keep concentrated guy. Guys see if I will tell me guy, suppose first iteration guy tell me which all will come guy, implies one guy. Once you're going to iterate first guy, tell me what all will come guy, tell me implies one guy, tell me yes or no guy, confirm at least which all will come guy, first iteration
Yes.
imply object here. So get what I'm going to check. So imply will come here. So I will check with object. Okay. So what? So O, this object belongs to who is my running man? Really, I'm close the class just now. I'm explaining lots of time. Don't do anything in meaning middle of class. Some mobile is running. Some voice is coming. Who is mobile? Tell me. Switch off the mobile at least 1 hour. Please, man. Please. Requesting to you. So I will check here first iteration what type of object. Guys, see first iteration object employee. So guys, O instance of O instance of O instance of, yes or no? O instance of employee. We are checking guys. So our first iteration this object belongs to employee or not? Yes or no guys? If this all belongs to employee. Yes, okay. Because first iteration, which will come guy? Employee. So I'm checking guy. So this object instance of employee. If yes, if yes, if yes, what we can do guy? We can get typecasting first. then you're going to store into our employee guy. So do you know how typecasting guy? Not sure, you know or don't know? Understand here. So EMP and guy object and guy we can store this one into our EMP. Suppose E. Any question guy? No. Guy, this is a way whenever if you have multiple of different type guy. Guy see, then guy you can print this object guy. How guy? Sys out and guy see in this you can write guy. Suppose E dot imply ID. Yes or no? Then guy you can write what? We can write E dot what guy? Imply name. Yes or no? Guy see, then it will print guy. Okay, yes guys, same thing I will do for every object guys, for every object. So first is employee object, yes, then guys I will do for you know a student object guys. So this place I will write a student guys. See, then I am typecasting for this and I can store this one a student object and I can write here s. I can write guys s dot student id. Yes no, s dot student id. And guys this place I can write s dot student. Yes or no? Any question till now? I hope no. Right? Yes. Then I will check. Then I will check what guy? Tell me integer. Yes or no? Or a string. Yes or no? Tell me guy. A string how you can check guy? Yes. Guys see. So a string purpose guy. What you can do? You can write if what guy? O instance of O instance of what guy? Tell me a string. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no? And guy, this time we should not need conversion guy. Directly you can print what? What guy? You can print a string. Yes or no? That is
String.
that is a what guy? Oh, you can write because if our string belongs to guy, what? Our we directly print our this result guy. Yes or no? And guy see after that integer also guy. For integer also guy, we no need to do any conversion. Okay, guy right here. So right here integer because your next object is integer only. Yes or no? That is a wrapper class object, right? Guy, yes or no? Yes, Amit. Then guys see one important point. Null things guy. The important point. How you're going to print this null value guy. Guys see. Guys see if you are using if guys see if you're using this thing guy. Guy understand important point. If you're going to get right in this way null here, okay. So guy it will give what null pointer exception guy. So guy we are not going to check null object in this instance of operator. Okay, we are not going to use null check with the help of instance of guy. So guy, we will check this thing with the help of double equal operator guy. Double equal operator guy. See, are you getting? Keep in mind guy. So many concepts I am explaining today guy. So if you're going to check null object check with the help of instance of, it will give null pointer exception guy. So for the purpose guy, we need to check this null check with the help of double equal operator. Correct guy? So guys see what we understood here. So if you have what mix up object guy. If you have mix up object, then if you would like to print the object guy, so this is the correct way guy. This is the correct way because every time we'll check because in AL guy all the you have tell me yes, no, go. In the AL guy you have all the object and guy you're going to check. So first iteration guy. So this imply will come. So imply is in so what type of object guy? So I'm checking guy. O instance of imply. So this object, this imply instance of object guy. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no? Yes. because we have multiple object guys, yes or no? Imply, student, string,
Yes.
integer. So we are checking one by one. So this imply instance of object, yes, yes or no? So guys, I'm going to typecast and printing result. Then guys, I'm checking. So student is guys, what object guys? See student type guys string. Then guys see corresponding all the things I will write with the help of instance of. Means you are going to check. Then we are going to print. Yes or no? So first we are going to check. So this all belongs to what tab? Employee tab. Yes, because I belongs to employee tab. Printing. This is student tab. Printing. String tab. Then corresponding everything we will check, and then I'm going to what run the application. We'll see the result. It's coming properly or not, guys. Guys, tell me yes or no. Guys, see. So don't worry, guys. These two lines as of now. I've told you right. So you can see this is the early result. You know? This is early result. But guys, see if I will comment this line, then we'll completely understand this. Okay? Otherwise you'll confuse. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. See if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong, then you can see. Guys, see first e.empid triple one Ankit name printing and not guys. Tell me yes, Amit printing. Guys, see second student ID guy who won Roshan. Yes, one guys see yes, Amit printing. Then guys see Avi printing and not 10 printing and not null printing and not. I hope guy you understood clearly guy how we are going to print multiple different type object from a list. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me guy, is it interesting or boring? No, Amit, it's interesting.
Amit.
Aviram is there.
Yes, Amit.
Yeah. Are you understanding all the things? It's
Yeah,
interesting, right?
yeah.
Very interesting guy. If you understand this thing, then you can visualize yes in the project, in the application, the code. Same code written guys sometime. Yes or no? You should not confuse. Hey, what is this? So the main thing in this example, this thing guys, this line or this line, yes or no? If you will have different type of object, if you will have different type of object guys, see this L is holding different type of object, some student object, some employee object, some string object, some integer object, some null object. Then how we are going to print? If you're going to print in this way guys, see you are not able to understand. Yes or no? Guys, see if you print this thing guys, you can see what result is coming guys. You understand here? Guys, see anybody can understand guys this thing? First line guys. No, Amit, I can understand. See, no, this thing you understand. I know very well. But guy, this thing you don't understand because in the period guy, in the application, this type of things you should write in the company guy, in the project, not guy like that because we are not generally what primitive object. Okay, you cannot say this is primitive object, this is object only, but automatically conversion with the help of auto boxing. So automatic conversion from primitive to object. Correct guy? Any question get till now? No, Amit. Any? I have one question. Please ask me now. Any question? Anyone? Quickly.
No.
No?
No, Amit.
Good. Aviram, you have any question? You got this concept?
Mm,
Because I'm checking if you have multiple object in different tab. So see in AL guy. So this all object we have. A string, student, employee, null. All object this AL is holding. But in AL, we're iterating one by one. So we're checking. So this implies what type, string what type, string what type, int what type. Then we're printing it. Okay. Yes. Done guys. Guys, see one important question. So guys, see. So this example conclude collection is not type safe. Okay. What do you mean your type shape, guy? Guy, do you know what type shape? Okay, no problem. Just quick. Okay, in next call, guy. Just after this finish call, you just join. So I will explain one new concept, that is what is type shape. What is type shape in collection? Why collection is not type shape? I will explain quickly again. Okay, please join again because this call will discontinue within 1 minute. Okay, please join quickly.